Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a what I eat in a day video. Guys, this is a realistic what I eat in a day. I am on my weight loss journey. However, some days may not be as perfect as others as far as me following my meal plan. And I just wanted to show you guys one of my not so perfect days. I hope you all enjoy. Okay, everyone, so now I am making breakfast, and on this particular day, I cut up some sweet potatoes and made sweet potato hash browns, and I also had some leftover pizza from the night before, which was a spinach and mushroom pizza, and I cooked an egg and put it on top, and I basically just used the pizza as I would use like rice cakes or bread, and it was really good, guys. Okay, my chat partners, so now that I'm done eating breakfast, I am going to make my grocery list and get my meals planned for the following week so I can be on the go for my weight loss journey. Okay, so now it is lunchtime, and since I had kind of a big breakfast, I just ate some fruit and drank some water for lunch. So I guess you can say this was a lunch or snack for me. Simple and easy, however healthy. I hope you all are enjoying my video so far, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. Also like and comment. Yeah, show your girl some love. And also, guys, I have over 400 videos on my channel. Check some of them out. I'm sure you might like some. Beautiful people. So now this portion of the video is just a little spring cleaning and decluttering. It's the beginning of the month, beginning of spring, and it's just time to throw away the old and bring in the new. Okay, everyone, now it is dinner time. On this particular day, we had spaghetti with vegetables. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. I really do hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.